Hey guys, Mr. Baines here to talk about. Sorry, had something stuck in my throat. Mr. Baines here to talk about adding and subtracting decimals. Let's get started. And as always, we begin by adding this to our table of contents. So add this to your table of contents. The page number might be different for your notebook, so just make it correct in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. All right. Learning targets for the day, we want to be able to add and subtract decimals. So you'll be able to find the sum and the difference between decimals. All right. Only slightly different than adding up normal. Well, not really. So the first step, put all the numbers in a vertical column and align the decimal points. This is the important part. The decimal points have to be in a straight line. Then you add each column of digits, starting on the right and working left. Yep. So if you were to add these up, notice how all these decimal points are aligned. Oops. They're all in a line like that. So you can just add straight down. All right, go ahead and try this one. Go ahead and pause it, sorry. All right. On this one, what would you do here if there's, so this has two decimals after, this has two decimals after, this has two decimals after. This only has one. So what would you do? You add a 0 here just to hold that place, because 0 doesn't change this number, so make it a 0. All right, then you just add straight down. All right, try these in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it, and then I'll show you the answer. All right, here's number 1. Number 2. Oh, it's going random. All right. So you don't have to write the 0 in there, but as long as you know the 0 is there, then this will work. Okay. Go ahead and pause it if you want to check all of your work. All right. Try this one in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. There's the correct answer. Try this one in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. Here's the correct answer. Finally, try this one in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. Okay. There's the correct answer. It's also important to learn how to subtract decimals. It's pretty much the same thing. So you put the numbers in a vertical column and you align the decimal points. The decimal points need to be in a line. Then it's just like normal subtraction. Okay. All right. Just like before, what do you do? This one has 2. This one has only 1. So you would add a 0 right there as a placeholder. All right. Try these 4 in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. All right. The correct answers are here. And again, you can choose to write the 0, or you can choose not to write the 0. As long as you know a 0 goes here, it's fine. Okay, write this answer in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. Here's your correct answer. Write this answer, or right answer to this one in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. Here's the correct answer. Write the correct answer to this one in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. All right, and 3.992. And if you go to this link, or if you search the decimal cruncher, it's a cool math game. So if you open that up, there's a game here where you can practice adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing fractions. There's easy, medium, and hard questions. Okay, when you click the question mark, it'll check your answer. If you get it right, it's good. If you get it wrong, it'll be this blue one. Okay, so this is a great way to practice. I'd like you to practice a couple of these before you start on the homework. The last thing for this video is go to Google Classrooms and complete the Google Doc. There are 4 questions on the Google Doc that I would like you to complete, and then click Turn In. That's all for this video. See you next time.